Now let's start the fourth topic of grammar. In our grammar book, the fourth topic is given nouns, but third is given. Why? Because in first topic, personal pronoun. Second, what we have learned, singular, plural. Then pronoun, but specially we and they. And after that, nouns third, that is a countable and uncountable noun. You know meaning of countable? Counting, 1 to 100, 1 to unlimited. Whenever we count in number, that is called the counting. Means countable. Counting means countable, not means in that word countable, in this word counting is included. That's why I said counting. Countable, uncountable. These two types of nouns. What is meant by countable and what is meant by uncountable? Suppose there are some examples. Whenever we can tell that thing, that example in number, or exactly the amount, exactly the how much is given then, that is called the countable. Suppose pen, we can say that there are so many pens. So many means 10, 2, 20, 100, 50 means pen, we can count that. Then biscuits, I have eaten 10 biscuits. You have given the answer, 10 biscuits. Books, there are 5 books, there are 7 books for second standard. Then pencils, I am using a pencil, I have 10 pencils. Caps, caps means whenever such a type of example comes in front of us, that time we can count it. Pen we can count, biscuits we can count, books we can count, pencils, caps, pen, means these all things are countable, we can count. But whenever ink, how can we count the ink? Ink, rice, milk, you will say me that every day we take the 1 liter milk. Rice, I have 2 kg rice. Ink, there is a little ink in the ink. Pen. Papers, then rain, it's a heavy rain. Means whenever we cannot count such things in number. Can we say a ink, give me a ink? No. Can we say I want 2 rice? It needs the measurement, kg. Milk, give me milk. Can we say no? You have to say that give me a glass of milk, give me a liter milk, give me 10 liter milk. Pepper, I want some peppers. You use the word some, but we cannot count that in a number. Again, rain, it is a 2 rain, it is a 10 rain. Is it? No, it's not a proper way. Means these things are uncountable. Means we cannot count in number. It needs some measurement, it needs some support, it needs some words. Some rain, heavy rain, a little rain, few rain. Then ink. In this marker there is a little rain, little. Rice, I have some rice. Give me some rice, give me 10 kg rice. Means you need that word, some rice, 10 kg. It's a measurement. मापे की नहीं थी, 10 kg, 10 kilo. Milk, give me a glass of milk. Again, peppers. I have lot of peppers. I have few peppers. Give me some peppers. Rain. As I said, it's a heavy rain today. There is no rain today. In this way, these are the countable and uncountable nouns. Means in this topic, the examples are given to us. And we have to identify which noun is countable, which noun is uncountable. Means with the help of this, if it is measured in a number, we can give the answer in number, that is a countable. But whenever we cannot tell in number, it needs the measurement. It needs some word, it needs some particular word. That time those are the uncountable nouns. Examples in next period. Now let's see some examples of countable and uncountable nouns. Means whenever some words are used to show the quantity of that thing. Means we use a few, then many, numbers are also, as I said, apples, 10 apples, some rice, many peppers, a few, give me a few strawberries, give me a few flowers. In this way means these words are used to show the quantity for the countable noun. And for uncountable, a little and much. A little and much, both the words have same meaning. A little and much. This word is used. Give me a little ink. It is a too much heavy rain. In this way means a little and much. These words are used to show the quantity of that noun. But some words are there which are used for both. How? Or which are those? Some. As I said, some peppers, some rice. Rice is uncountable. Peppers we can count. Then some apples we can count the apples. In some is used any. Again any. A lot of. These three words are used for the both. For the both means countable and uncountable nouns. But remember one thing, a countable which we can show the quantity, which we can write in a number, we can identify, we can tell the number. We can tell the number to show to tell the quantity of that thing. That is countable. And uncountable, directly we cannot say 1, 2, 3. 3 rice, 4 rice, 1 sugar. It needs the measurement. That is called the uncountable. But these three words are used for the both. You have to identify according to the sentence. What is the sentence? Which information is given in that sentence? According to that we have to use it. Some, any, a lot of. Or according to that sentence we have to identify if the sum is used, if the any is used, if a lot of is used, but the given noun is countable or uncountable. We have to see with the help of example. Now we have to see the another examples. Now we have to identify the countable and uncountable nouns. Some nouns are given, some words are given to us. And among those words we have to identify and write in a proper column. Countable, uncountable. Countable means we can count in number. It doesn't need any measurement, any support of the word. Means we can tell in number, that is countable. But uncountable means we cannot count in numbers. That is uncountable. It needs the measurement. It needs the support of some word. That is uncountable. Means with the help of number we cannot tell it. It's not a clear meaning. It's not a proper meaning of that word. It's called uncountable. Let's see the examples. Now first is given APPLES apples. Can we count the apples? Yes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. We can count the apples. Means apple, it will come in APPLES, apples, countable noun. Another word, RICE, rice. Say it, give me rice, give me 2 rice. Is it a proper? No, it's not a proper. Means it's uncountable. It needs the support of that measurement. 1 kg, 5 kg rice. Some rice means RICE. Rice is uncountable. Again, now it's over. Pens, PENS. Can we count the pens? Give me a pen. I have 10 pens. Is it proper? Yes, it's a proper. So PENS, pens, it's a countable. Milk. Whenever the word comes in front of you, utter that word. वापरायचं तो. Milk. Give me 1 milk. Give me 2 milk. Is it proper? No, it's not proper. What it needs? Give me a glass of milk. Give me 2 liter milk. Means it needs the measurement. त्याला मापाची गरज आहे. Means that is uncountable. MILK, milk. Most of the time students suppose that uncountable means we cannot count. That means uncountable. As you said, stars are uncountable. Means, but we can count the stars in 1, 2, there are 5 stars. I can see 5 stars. I can see 10 stars. But uncountable means we can now take it in number. Now the milk, it's over. RAIN, rain. There is one rain today. Is it a proper? No. Heavy rain. Can we count rain? No. That's why RAIN, rain. We cannot count rain in number. Rain is also uncountable. After that, sugar. Use, as I said, you keep it in sentence and use that. I want one sugar. I want three sugar. Is it a proper? It has a meaning. No, it has no meaning. Whenever you say, give me some sugar, give me a glass of sugar, give me 1 kg sugar, that time it has a meaning. So sugar is also uncountable. Money. Give me one money. Give me 4 money. Does it have meaning? अर्थ है क्या कहते हैं? No. Whenever you will say, give me 5 rupees, give me some money, give me few money, in that time it has a meaning. So again, M-O-N-E-Y, money is uncountable. Now the flowers. Give me 2 flowers. It has a meaning. This sentence has a meaning. Give me 5 flowers. Give me some flowers. Give me few flowers. Means we can count the flowers. It is a countable. F-L-O-W-E-R-S. Flowers. Means in this way it is also over. Means whenever, as I said, you don't forget one thing. Whenever the word comes in front of you, use that word in sentence. And ask to ourselves, does it have meaning? याला meaning आहे का काही? If it has a meaning, it's countable. If it has no meaning with a number, that is uncountable. So whenever we have to sort out countable, uncountable, use the word, keep the word in sentence and identify. Is it countable or is it uncountable?